In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot CRM to your Facebook page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to navigate through HubSpot's marketplace and connect your systems seamlessly. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary access to both HubSpot and your Facebook page. These integrations can greatly enhance your marketing efforts by streamlining your business communications, so let's get started. First, head over to the HubSpot user guide. This will serve as our starting point. Once you're there, click on the marketplace icon. You'll notice it is conveniently located on the top navigation bar, designed to make accessing the various integrations HubSpot offers a breeze. Careful navigation here will help streamline your process later. After accessing the marketplace, your next step is to click on Connected Apps. This option allows you to view all your current integrations and install new ones. Connected Apps is where you'll find potential tools to plug into your HubSpot environment, making it a critical touchpoint as you integrate with Facebook. Now let's jump into the app marketplace itself. This is the hub of integrations available to you. Once you're in the app marketplace, go to the search bar and type in Facebook. This search should bring up a selection of Facebook-related integrations. It's an easy way of locating the exact app you want without scrolling through endless options. Once you've found Facebook in the marketplace search results, click on it. This will take you to the dedicated page for Facebook integration, where you'll find details about what this integration offers and how it will work with HubSpot CRM. On the Facebook integration page, you'll see an option to install the app. Installation is straightforward and should be a quick process. It's worth noting, however, that ensuring your HubSpot plan supports this integration is crucial. You might encounter compatibility issues if your current HubSpot plan doesn't include this feature. That's an essential consideration to address before you proceed. If you run into any compatibility issues, HubSpot's support team or your account manager can clarify what plan updates are necessary. Upgrading your plan may unlock additional features that could be beneficial to your business operations, so take that into account while troubleshooting any issues. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this integration beneficial to your work processes. By linking HubSpot CRM with your Facebook page, you're setting up a workflow that can improve efficiency and communication. Feel free to revisit this video whenever needed, and keep exploring more of HubSpot's extensive integration offerings.